Hello everybody, my name is Paul McKeever, and this is my new guitar build. One small thing we have to do still is solder the ground. You'll recall, and I'll just turn it over so you can see, that there is a ground wire right here. And right now it's just sitting in a little eye hole that's provided for by the tone claw system that holds the springs in. So I'm just going to put a dab of solder in there to hold the ground in place. I wouldn't want the ground to come loose. Now for this I'm going to be using this Weller medium duty soldering iron that I purchased. We need to bring the temperature up to about 650 Fahrenheit. Of course we're going to need some solder. And we want the fine stuff. Which I've used in another electronics project in the past. Standard rosin core solder. Okay. And what we're going to do is heat up both the wire and the terminal on the tone claw after applying a bit of solder to the soldering iron. And then bringing the soldering iron over, we're going to, I'm going to work from this end. That's just so I have more space here. And hopefully be able to heat both the wire and the terminal at the same time. That's the goal. And then apply the solder. I think we've got it. Yeah, we're in.